Hello everyone. Today let's look at how to create AI agents using Bubblespace. We'll be able to create AI agents in just a few clicks. Let's go to bubblespace.com and let's click on Storyboard. You can create your own account using your email ID, or you can sign up using Google. Please note that if you use your email ID, you might get a verification code. Do check into your spam folders for those. Anyway, let's sign in using Google. There you go. And now I am already signed in and we are on the storyboard page. To create agents, steps are pretty simple. You have to provide some context or some data over here. Just give a name to your agent. Select the power of the agent. Right now, only basic agents are rolled out. You can select anyone. By default, basic agents will be created. You can give some description about the agent, like what is the expertise of the agent. You can give it a work experience. You can give it a profile so that it can create and do your task better. Then at the bottom, just select this blog with A/B testing, give a clear instruction, click on submit, and your agents will be created for you. Now let's take this example where we are trying to build a serverless application on cloud, in this case on AWS, and we want a blog to understand how to do that. And we are stuck on a very particular problem that we want to create a SAM deployable application, and we don't know how to build those. So Bubblespace AI agents will help us, create these. So we'll head over to our storyboard. We'll give our context, and then we'll call our agent as John Pro 3, right? 23.3. We'll select the power of our agent, and then we'll just give a description to our agent. In this case, it is an AWS expert or a cloud expert with 10 years of experience in building scalable apps using microservices architecture, because we want to build serverless apps. We'll go to blog with A/B testing, and we'll just give a clear instruction that gives me code of the YAML file. So we want the YAML file so that we can deploy our Lambda function on AWS. So let's see how Bubblespace boost gives you 10x boost on your coding. So we click on submit, and these agents will be created in the background. So it will take a couple of minutes probably for these agents to be created. And at the background, our backend engine Beluga, which is a context-based progression engine, will build and manage these agents and give you an update on what they're doing. And by that time, you can maybe go for a cup of coffee, get your coffee, get your tea, and by the time you come back to your seat, the output would be ready. Depending on the task, this will take very little time, but there can be more complex tasks, and those might take a little more time. So still, it's pretty fast, and we are working on making these agents even faster and better for you. So after a while, you will be able to see the output over here. And for example, this is the output, but let's see the latest one we have created right here. Just reload. Yeah. And this is the latest output which has been created. So it is giving us all the steps on how to approach this problem. It is giving an introduction. It is how to set up your environment, how to create the project structure, how to write the Lambda function, how to define the template itself, along with API keys and other things. And the end-to-end task is given over here. You can refer to it. You can even go to their documentation and have a detailed look at them. So that's how you create AI agents. You can use this for coding, for creating documents, for using it as a support, or for creating blogs, or even for e-learning. So happy agenting. Please use Bubblespace and do let us know. Thanks. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe Bubblespace on YouTube.